How y'all doing? Hope y'all having a good day. So this is going to be a journal or journey of 50 trades, right? They're all going to be demo trades. So my goal is to make 50 demo trades. I'll grade each of them A, B, or C. And after completing the 50 trades, I'll then go on to invest. I have invested before. It's not my first time. As a matter of fact, all I've been doing is investing and losing. I've been doing this a long time. Years, right? All right, so let's get into it. I'll just be back testing. I'll do a random date just to make sure that it doesn't seem like I've previewed the chart before trading, because I'm trying to be honest with myself either way. So that makes no sense, but just for clarity for you guys, right? So where can I wanted to continue my trades, like just continue, but okay, so let me do here. All right, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's start from here. Higher time frame, clearly it's a buy. I'll start here. This is a breaker structure. Then we have order block down here, I would say. Unmitigated. Then we would have breaker structure here. We have an order block. You have order block here. That's been mitigated. I won't mark it out because I don't want it to be crowded. And I have one here. So for me, I always have two order blocks, right? Two of them. I have the most recent order block and the first order block. The first order block is more of a last ray of hope, I would say. And the last order block is what is supposed to be mitigated, for the continuation of the trends. All right, this is unmitigated. All right, going up. All right, so yeah, so okay, so this is the current order block right here for me. Right here, this candle right here. It's current order block, right? This is the current market high. And this is the current market low. It goes without saying. Okay. All right. So I'm looking for the market to react from here to go to here, because I'm trying to continue the trend, right? So, oh yes, I have started without you guys. I'm at number 7. This trade here would be number 8 out of the 50 trades that I need to take. I'll go down to the 15 minutes to see a change of character, head into the upside. All right. So we got a low here. This is the high, market high right here. Oh, we got a breaker structure here. Then the market didn't respect any of these. Expecting the market to come down here. It's a new 15-minute high. This is the breaker structure. Still expecting the market to get down here before going up. This is a breaker structure. And so I'm still expecting this, because this here is mitigated. This order block here has already been mitigated, as you can see, mitigated once, twice. So I'm still expecting this here to be mitigated before going up. Well, guess I was wrong. I guess I was wrong. Yeah, so let me see what happened. So the market came down. This is the lowest point. Since oh yes, that's where I went wrong. If all of these got mitigated already, then I should have looked at the most recent unmitigated order block and take it from there, and jump down to the 5-minute, wait for the breaker structure and all of that, right? So yeah, let me show you guys how I would have taken this trade. All right. So after saying okay, because once I have a new breaker structure, this should no longer be of any validation. I should have just deleted this, like boom, right? So we would have the order block here that got mitigated twice. So, you know, it's of no use. Then I would have this, or this here now. This here would be the most recent order block, I would say, before the up move. So it would be this one right here. Jump down to the 5-minute. It'll be right here. Yeah, we're in it. So jump down to the 5-minute. Look for a breaker structure. Got it, and enter will be right here, because after having the breaker structure, I would look to see an aggressive move to the upside, then entry right here. Below here, I would just to be safe. That's my normal stop loss, right? Then I'll go for a 1 to 2 or higher. Right here is a 1 to 2. This is where I would target, and as you guys would see, TP. That would have been a TP hit. Nice TP. Alright, so let's continue. Back to the 2-hour. Alright, that's the breaker structure. Let me just clear all this noise. Okay. All right, so the order block for here, let me see, not seeing any right off the bat, I ain't gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do, jump down to the 15-minute, look for the order block in the 15-minute time frame. Since we got the breaker structure there, clearly this would be my order block right here. Clear as day. Unmitigated order block, all right? See what the market does. All right, so we tapped and violated, okay? I'm gonna now move to the last point, I would say here, the same one down here, that's unmitigated. I'm not going to use this here because it got mitigated with this here. So I'm going to be using this one right here. Once more. Have the market go down. Oh shit, what's this? Oh, it's a major 2 hour. Okay. Jump in a 5-minute. Clear a breaker structure to the upside, wait for retracement. Another breaker structure. Okay, that's the retracement. And I just need a push up. Like a volatile move from, okay. That's okay for me. Here. 15. My TP could be wild right now. Because this is a buy trend and this is the 2 hour order block, right? So this is gonna be a nice one. I'm gonna try to get the highs up here. I'm gonna go for what, 90 pips. Let's go. It's clean, simple, easy trade. It's like textbook. Believe me. Is that TP? Yeah, there we go. That's TP right there. Right? And so that would be trade number 8. Mitigated. Ain't gonna lie, I missed this whole move. That's hilarious. Ain't gonna lie, but you know I'm following the rules because this here would be the low, right? This here would be the low, or the breaker structure for me to then look for sells. I'm trying to follow the trend, right? Whichever trend is trending, I'm following that trend. This is the only place where I'm a follower right now, right? So when I got the breaker structure here to violate this whole part of the market, right? When I got the breaker structure there to say, okay, the trend is now changing in the 15-minute, then I would have to see a retracement to an order block and all of that. So that's why this whole major thing, I wouldn't have caught it because the low is all the way down here, right? But so this is just like the higher time frame, just like the lower time frame. I mean, on the higher time frames, also when you have your let me see, was this the last point or the last hope per se, or was it under 2 hour? Yeah. Yeah, this would be the one of the last ray of hope per se. Because honestly, after seeing this, like I said, I would expect a retracement and settle down, but it tapped in super fast, as you can see. Tapped in, then immediately I started looking, and there we go. All right, so this would be trade number 8. Going to document. I would drop the documentation in the description, and so that would be it. So tomorrow would be trade number 9.